Every decision that you make is a conscious decision. And what is the strategy behind it? And is it scalable? Is this going to last for the duration? Is this something you can do for the next 5 years? Because if you have a really great plan, like for me, the really great hair and the fancy clothes and different color fingernails every day, that's not scalable for me. Where do I go with that? Am I going to have a different outfit every day? Am I going to wear the same clothes over and over again? How does that work? Let me just wear one outfit. And then if people see it on YouTube, because YouTube is a huge place, there are thousands of videos that are uploaded every minute of the day. And so if I'm wearing the same clothes, people are just going to go, oh yeah, oh, I've seen that before. And it creates a consistency in the brand. Even in the thumbnails, they're like, oh yeah, that's another one of Angela's shows. And so it's not, again, it's not cute. I'm not winning any awards for being cute, but it is very consistent. People know then what to expect when they land on that channel, or they land in our learning library, or they land in our Facebook. It's that consistency that goes all the way across your brand.